There are no second thoughts that world is worried about generative AI. That is why there is a huge campaign going on against generative AI and its introduction into the organizations and in the society in general. Now, there are a lot of things associated with it. I believe that 50% of these concerns and fears are invalid, but 50% are valid. If you look at who actually is opposing Gen AI, then I would say that 50% of the opponents are from the companies who are generating content, who are from the departments such as legal, admin, insurance, and all of those people whose industries are at stake. For example, a judge in US state Texas banned legal filings that are drafted primarily by artificial intelligence. Similarly, the most popular case is Stack Overflow banning ChatGPT or any LLM when posting content. So these are the companies who are thriving on user-generated content, but users really don't get anything out of it. For example, if you post a solution on Stack Overflow, like millions of others, you don't get anything. It is only Stack Overflow which gets the recognition, which gets the ad, and also the money. So that is why now when people are going to ChatGPT instead of Stack Overflow to find answers, ChatGPT is having a fit. Similarly, there are various other factors which are in play. Most of the status quo in today's content generation or the manual job is in the legacy departments such as justice, legal, admin, insurance, etc. These departments are also very worried that these LLMs and chatbots are going to replace their jobs. For example, Writers Guild of America has been on strike since May with the huge demand that to limit the use of artificial intelligence. Now, the thing is that AI is going to change a lot of things. There will be huge disruption. Responsibilities will change, roles will shift. Many roles will be gone and new will be introduced. Lot of automation is going to happen, and chatbots, large language models are going to replace a lot of people. There is no doubt about that. So these concerns are valid, and this is where I think every government should come up with some regulatory authority solely focused on a role of Gen AI from the social and employment perspective of the people. There is also a talk about some universal payment to people who are going to lose their jobs to AI, but I think that is not really valid for the long run and it's not scalable. And also, there will be a lot of replacement and displacement in the third world country, and those countries cannot afford these universal payments. So I believe times are very uncertain and they are changing, and this is the time that government should take this anti-AI campaign seriously and do something about it. Thank you very much.